Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to Professor Madya Dr. Azman bin Yasir. We are from Programming 1, Group C, and our team is Bank. Now I will introduce our team members. The first one is Nur Aisha, which with metric number 286982, and then Ali Shafiqa 286987, and then Afiq Imran 286997, and then Muhammad Yasri 287021, and then Abel Daniel 287056.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aisha binti Abdul Halim and my topic is business loan. This is my list instruction to solve the problem. This algorithm I will use to make a flowchart, pseudocode, and the coding. This flowchart I will use to make a coding, and now let's see the coding. Now let's run it. Enter your name, Nur Aisha. Enter your phone number. Enter your age. This is information about SME Clean Loan. There are two types of application. There is by online and by branch application. Enter 1 to continue. This is information about online application and this is branch application. It is also stated the interest rate is 4.5% and no collateral needed. Do you have outstanding loan with my bank? Let's say yes. So enter 1. How many loan did you make before? 2. The amount for one loan. Let's say I make 1.5 million. Then for second loan, 1 million. Your total outstanding is 2.5 million. Your enter business operation period in months. Let's say I already in business 4 years. That's me 48 months. Your annual revenue 1. Enter the amount of loan. Let's say I want to make a loan that is 1.5 million. Say I want 7 years. Also suggested that you can apply SME Clean Loan via branch application. Please also calculate your monthly payment and total payment.
Today, I will explain my assignment 2 topic, which is about personal account. To make sure user can insert the input, I provide the class scanner. By using this class, we can create an input string object and associate it with standard input. And this is the sample output for the coding. Next, for this coding, user will ask to insert the information details such as recipient bank name, recipient account, recipient name, recipient reference, and the amount that want to transfer. Next, the app will remind user about the fee and charge for transaction. After user proceed by choose continue, program will calculate the charge that need to pay. This is the sample output about the information details and the total amount. Next, for this part, I used repetition structure and decided to make a guess number game in this program. And this is the output. For repetition structure in this game, I choose to doing loop using for and switch statement. The objective is to randomly generate an integer greater than or equal to 1 and less than 100. The program will check whether the guess number is less than or greater than the correct number. User is prompted to guess the random number until user enters the correct numbers. And this is the sample output for the guess number game. After finish the game, user will provide to choose the gift. There are the list of gifts that need to choose by user. For this part, I use the control structure selection, which is if-else statement. User need to key in the number given to get the gift that they want. And this is my last output for personal account.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim bin Aizan and I'm going to talk about segment 2, credit card. Okay, the problem is still the same as ever as segment 1. The type of credit card is the different one. Okay, the type of credit card 1, there is 3 types of credit card, type 1, type 2, and type 3. And name of credit card is as below. And the specialty for type 1 is none. Type 2 is 7% cashback for petrol money. And type 3 is 5% for on airlines and hotel booking. And the interest rate is still the same, is 15%. Okay. This is the procedure code. This is the flow chart. Okay. This is the coding. Okay. There's little similarity for like SM1, but the difference is over here. Okay. So if you put in CC number like this for digit CC number 1 and CC number 2, you will get CIBE credit card. And if you put like for CIB Electronic Statement Mastercard, you will get this. And if you put number like this, you will get Bank Rakyat Platinum Explore Credit Card. You can see that there's a cashback for if you purchase for specific item. Okay. After that, we're going to look at while. Okay, while I below 3, the system will calculate the monthly rate and gap for the payment that you do at June. And you will calculate monthly rate equals to DPR times 30, monthly interest per 100, and you will get monthly gap. Again, monthly money left equals to new money minus monthly gap, and you get money left. And the I++ to pass the I. This is the output. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum to Sir Azman bin Yasir and all students. My name is Muhammad Yasir bin Roslan. My matric number is 287021. In this assignment, I will continue what my housing loan calculator, but in this assignment, I add on home package according to the user budget. Why I create this part? Because I want to give a user choice of type of house with their budget, so the user can know which one of type of house that they can afford and avoid them face a problem in the future. So in this assignment, I use a two-way, which is a control structure and loop. So I will explain the rest of the system in the coding part. So in the coding part, I will explain what I add on in the system. So the first part is the same with assignment 1. So by discipline, I use do. The that in this part, if I use the control structure, if home equal in your case y, is system of print, please enter your budget, because the system according the user budget. So for the variable I use loan. So if loan more or equal 100,000 and loan less or equal 200,000, home package one stand for package pay 130,000 divide 200 because this one when I do research, most of the bank use this calculation for the monthly payment first. So after that, as if for the package number 2, package number 3, package number 4, package number 5. After that, I'll use switch home. Case 1, system of print package plus home. System of print F, your monthly payment will be RM. Despite I use because I want the same number. So comma pay. Break I use because I want the system just read what package that user choose. So if the user choose the package 1, the system just read the case 1. So for the output in the system, enter your name, example Yasri, enter the loan amount 200,000, interest rate 3.80, years. So do you interested with the home suggestion? If yes, press yes. The budget, for example, my budget is 150,000. So the home the package home that suitable with my budget is apartment price 150,000, house loan 30 years. So please enter the package number if you're interested. If I'm interested, number is number 1. Your monthly payment will be RM 650 ringgit. So do you want to repeat the calculation? If you don't want to repeat the calculation, just press N. And then the out system will auto comes up with thank you. I think that's all for my system. I hope the system will help the user to choose with home package that's suitable with their budget. Thank you.
Now I will continue the presentation. So my topic is investment. Identify the problem. Regarding for the assignment 1, the problem is the same, which is to find other alternative to expend money. However, they do not know on when the maturity date of their investment. So from this, I understand the problem, which is the customer or investor want to know their date of maturity and at the same time to simplify the process. And then this is other list instruction that enable customer to solve their problem using selected solution. The first one is ask user to key in their name, number, phone, and account number, and then choose one. And the third is enter amount of investment and investment tenure, and then wait for the system to calculate. And then the system will display the name, phone number, account number, profit payable to customer who make profit, and total amount. And then the number 6 is the system will repeat to another customer. And then if done, the system will display how many customer valid in one day. And then lastly is display customer information. So here are my coding, and I have declared some variable here, which is name, phone number, and account number. I have put the maximum values, and then for loop, I will use do and while, and then for the selected structure, I use if as if, and these are the coding, and then these are the process coding, and then these are the output coding, and then I have used while, which is to pick either to continue the loop or end the loop, and then I use if selected structure, which is like either to see the data of the customer or not, and then the lastly is which is for to print out the output, and these are the end of the coding. So here are the same example of the output. And then for the first one is enter name, phone number, and account number, and then choose one, and then enter investment amount, and then investment tenure, and then these are the output, and then the system will ask either to proceed to the next input or not, and then I say yes, and then put the input, and then this is the output, and then this is the third input, and then this is the output, and then I said no for the to end the loop, and then the system will print out the number of valid visitor for the website in 2 days, and then the system we'll proceed to the list of the customer for today. So that's all from me. Thank you.